Want to create professional AI videos without editing skills? In this How to Use MagicLight AI tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn a simple idea or script into a complete AI-generated video with voiceovers, subtitles, and consistent characters, all in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, visit the MagicLight AI website and click Start Free. Create a free account using your Google account or email, then log in to access the dashboard. New users can start with a free plan to test the platform before upgrading. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Text to Video, Story to Video, or Script to Video, depending on the type of content you want to create. MagicLight AI also offers templates for explainers, kids' stories, animations, and long-form YouTube videos to help you get started faster. For this demo, I'll choose Script to Video. Paste your script or type a prompt into the editor. Next, select your visual style, AI voice, aspect ratio, language, and video quality. You can also create consistent AI characters, upload reference us images, enable voice cloning, add lip sync, and generate subtitles automatically. After everything is ready, click Generate. MagicLight AI automatically builds your storyboard, creates scenes, adds animations, generates voiceovers, and keeps your characters consistent throughout the entire espresso video. Once rendering is complete, preview the result and make changes if needed. You can edit scenes, replace images, update captions, or regenerate specific sections without recreating the whole project. When you're happy with the final result, click Export and download your video. You can publish it directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform. MagicLight AI is especially useful for storytelling, educational videos, marketing content, explainers, and YouTube automation channels because it supports complete long-form videos instead of only short clips. If you need more credits, longer videos, watermark-free exports, commercial rights, and premium AI models, you can upgrade to one of the paid subscription plans at any time. The free plan is perfect for learning the workflow before purchasing. If this How to Use MagicLight AI tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know which AI tool you'd like to learn next.
People keep saying.
Personal opinion. Based on my testing and research, MagicLight AI is one of the easiest AI video generators for beginners, though your experience may vary.